Let's try the new L'Oreal Infallible Lac Resistance Lipstick. I picked up the shade 510 Cafe Parisian and it comes in this kind of sleek doe foot applicator which I really like than the previous one. Here is the swatch of the shade Cafe Parisian. Before you start application, don't forget to give it a good shake. So let me just outline my lip and give it a good precision. Wow, the shade is pigmented and it gives you one swipe opaque pigmentation. The finish is not very glossy as they have advertised, but it gives you a very beautiful satiny finish. Once you have applied the lipstick, do not press your lips immediately. Let it set on its own so that it does not get too sticky. This shade looks gorgeous on my brown skin. I have tried wearing it on my bare skin and it looked equally gorgeous. This is a beautiful caramel brown shade with little bit of terracotta undertone. I have noticed that this lipstick takes a long time to set on your lips. Once it is set, it becomes less sticky. I think I've given this lipstick a good 20 minutes time. Now let's see whether it feels sticky or not. It doesn't feel sticky at all. The formulation is very lightweight and hydrating, and while I'm talking to you guys, it is not sticking my lips together. Let's do a kiss test. Oh, there is no transfer at all. Whenever you are using these kind of formulation, please do not forget to exfoliate and prep your lips really well. If you fail to do so, it is going to enhance all the texture of your lips. This one is no budge formula. It is very long wearing and I tried wearing this lipstick throughout my meals. It lasted with 2 meals, you guys, and because these are so long wearing, it does not come off easily with any micellar water. You will have to have a good oil based cleanser. I wasn't wrong when I said it is a very long wearing no budge formula. The shade did come off tad bit from the inner part of my lips, but most of the color is still there on my lips and I don't think I need any kind of retouch ups. I can still see that satiny finish going on. No idea how this came off so quickly with my Bioderma micellar water, because the other day when I was trying to remove this lipstick with the same micellar water, it took me ages and I had to opt for my cleansing oil to remove it off completely. But today, look at it, how swiftly and smoothly it came off without any issue, without a lot of effort. So I think I judged this lipstick a little too soon. It proved me wrong. This lipstick is easy to remove and it is very long wearing. So this lipstick formulation gets a thumbs up from my end and I would love to recommend it to all of you.